wan shanga pibaro kibashitong bat ibakia junken.
Christmas is always a time not for celebration but also for reflection, a time where families and friends get together. So, on this auspicious occasion, first let me greet our fellow citizens of Meghalaya, wishing them a Merry Christmas and a fulfilling 2024. As we come to the close of the year, Christmas reminds us of how important it is to subject ourselves to scrutiny and also reflect on the many ups and downs we've gone through the year. And it reminds us that there is a power higher than each one of us that controls our destiny, and that we should all, like the first Christmas reminds us, we should all be messengers of peace and goodwill.